Hi, everyone. Welcome back to the Lingo Listen. I'm Emma, and I'm really happy you're here with us today.
Hey everyone, I'm Sam. And today, let me ask you something. Have you ever gone to a restaurant and you wanted to speak, but you stayed quiet?
Yes, that feeling. Your heart is beating fast, your hands feel a little cold, and your mind says, no, don't speak. You will make a mistake.
Yes, and then the waiter comes and you panic.
And you just point at the menu.
Or you say only one word, chicken.
Yes, very small English.
And after that, you feel a little bad.
Because you wanted to say more.
You wanted to speak like a normal person.
But don't worry, this is very normal. Today, we will fix this.
Yes, step by step.
Very simple English,
Very real situation,
no stress.
no fear.
And hey, before we start, if you like learning English like this,
Real talk, real life.
don't forget to like and subscribe.
It really helps you improve.
Okay, let's imagine. You are outside a restaurant.
I can see it.
You are a little hungry,
Very hungry.
but also a little nervous.
Yes, because of English.
You take a deep breath.
Okay, breathing.
You open the door.
I walk inside. I look around. Many people. Oh no.
Don't worry, nobody is watching you.
Really?
Yes, everyone is busy eating.
Okay, that makes me feel better.
Now a waiter walks to you.
This is the scary part.
He smiles and says, "Hello, how many people?"
Simple question. I say one person.
Good. Or you can say, "Just me."
Just me. Sounds natural.
Let's practice together. Just me.
Just me.
Again.
Just me.
Perfect. The waiter says, "This way, please."
Oh, easy part. No speaking.
Yes. The waiter follows you.
I walk slowly, trying to look confident.
Fake confidence is okay.
Good.
You sit down.
Okay, I feel a little relaxed.
The waiter gives you a menu.
Oh no, big menu, many words.
Yes, this can feel scary.
I don't understand everything.
That's okay. You don't need everything. Look for simple things.
Like chicken, rice, tea.
Yes, simple food.
But what if I still don't understand?
Then you ask for help. Say, "Can you help me?"
Can you help me?
Again.
Can you help me?
Very good. Or you can say, "What do you recommend?"
A little long.
Say it slowly.
What do you recommend?
Perfect.
I feel more confident already.
Yes, because now you have sentences.
Before I had nothing.
Exactly. Now, the waiter comes back.
Oh no, again.
He says, "Are you ready to order?"
I'm not ready. I say no.
Better say, "Not yet."
Not yet.
Or, "Give me a minute."
Give me a minute.
Say it again.
Give me a minute.
Good.
That sounds more polite.
Yes, very natural.
Okay, now I look at the menu again.
Take your time.
I see chicken, rice, tea.
Good choice.
Okay, I think I'm ready.
Deep breath.
Okay, breathing.
The waiter comes again.
I'm ready this time.
He says, "What would you like?"
I say, I want chicken.
That's okay, but better say, "I would like chicken."
Oh, more polite. I would like chicken.
Very good. Again.
I would like chicken.
Perfect. I also want rice. Say it.
I would like rice.
Good.
And drink,
Say, "I would like water."
I would like water.
Or tea.
I would like tea.
Nice.
This feels easy now.
Because you are practicing.
Before, I was scared.
And now?
Still a little scared, but better.
That's progress. Now, one more important thing.
What?
Spicy food.
Oh, yes, very important. I don't like spicy food.
Then you must say it. "Not spicy, please."
Not spicy, please.
Again.
Not spicy, please.
Good.
What if I forget?
Then your mouth will burn.
Oh, no.
So remember.
Yes, I will remember.
Let's practice full order.
Okay.
What would you like?
I would like chicken. I would like rice. I would like tea. Not spicy, please.
That was perfect.
Really?
Yes, very natural.
I feel proud.
You should.
This is my first full sentence order.
And you did great.
I think I can try this in real life.
Yes, you can.
My fear is going down.
Because you are practicing.
Small sentences, big confidence.
Exactly.
Okay, now I wait for food.
Yes, food is coming.
Oh, moment of truth.
The waiter brings your food.
I look at it. Wow, it looks really good.
He puts the plate on the table.
I feel happy and a little proud.
The waiter says, "Enjoy your meal."
I smile and say, thank you.
Perfect. Simple and natural.
Okay, I start eating.
First bite.
Wait.
What happened?
Oh no, it's spicy.
You forgot to say it.
Yes, I forgot. Not spicy, please.
It's okay. Don't panic.
I'm a little panicked.
We fix it.
Okay, tell me.
First, call the waiter.
How?
Say, "Excuse me."
Excuse me.
Again.
Excuse me.
Good. The waiter comes.
Okay, I speak now. This is too spicy.
Very good.
Can I change this?
Perfect.
My voice is shaking a little.
That's okay. You're still speaking.
Yes, I didn't stay silent.
That's the important part. The waiter says, "Sure."
Oh, that's easy.
See? People understand you.
Yes, they are kind.
A new dish comes.
Okay, round 2. I take a bite. Perfect. Not spicy.
Finally.
Now I enjoy the food.
Relax. Slow. Enjoy.
I feel comfortable now.
Because you are using English,
Not perfect English.
but real English.
Yes, real English.
That's what matters.
I think many people feel like me.
Yes, many learners feel shy.
But now I feel different.
Tell me,
Before I was quiet. Now I speak.
that's a big change.
Even small sentences helped me.
Simple English is powerful.
Okay, I finish eating.
Nice.
I feel full and happy.
Good feeling.
Now I want to leave.
One last step.
The bill.
Yes.
I call the waiter. Excuse me.
Good.
Can I have the bill?
Perfect sentence. Or you can say, "Check, please."
Check, please. Easy.
Both are correct.
The waiter brings the bill.
You look at it.
Okay, not too bad.
Good.
I pay.
Done.
Wow, I did everything in English.
Yes, from start to finish.
I feel proud.
You should feel proud.
Before I was scared. Now I feel confident.
That's your progress.
I think I can do this again.
Yes, next time will be easier.
And next time I will not forget. Not spicy, please.
Yes, very important.
Let's do a quick review.
Yes, simple review. Just me.
One person.
Can you help me?
Ask for help.
Give me a minute.
Not ready.
I would like,
Order food.
not spicy, please.
Very important.
Excuse me.
Call the waiter.
This is too spicy.
Problem.
Can I change this?
Solution.
Can I have the bill?
Finish.
See? Simple English.
Real English.
You don't need big words.
You need clear words.
Speak slowly.
Speak with courage.
And remember, mistakes are okay.
Yes, mistakes help you learn.
If you enjoyed this episode,
Like, subscribe, and share.
keep practicing every day.
We believe in you.
See you next time.
Bye. Take care.